Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night, depending on when you're watching this video. So it's finally been another week and it's time to do a check-in to see where all the money has went. And yeah, let's talk about it. Let's see if I can get through this and count to see if I have the right cash. So here's the pin. Well, let me show it this way. Here's the pen that I got from Amazon, and it is by Zebra. It has this end, which is, I think that's smaller, so 3. And it has this end, which is bigger. So I went through and got everything written out, and I'm sorry this is shaking, and I'm not even touching it, so I don't know why it's still shaking. But let's talk about the expenses, and I'm just going to bring this in. Hopefully you all can see this, and I did write everything in orange. So August the 20th, groceries from Walmart, spent $24, and I used my debit card. Same day, I used my debit card for spending, where I got a key made from Ace Hardware, and that was $4.38. Same day, Amazon grocery for $50 in total. I did use my Navy Federal credit card. And the next day, Amazon spending, where I got the pen and some candy that I didn't need, but it was $9. After that, on the 21st, I did spend $8 for a duplicate ID. And next we have outing, which that was for a stack and play for bowling and axe throwing. Also all the food, that was a total. Jasmine, why would you do that? Okay, Jasmine decided to come back in here where I am, and she pushed her door against the desk, which had everything shaking. So the outing here was for, and I think it's starting to storm outside too. So outing for bowling, axe throwing, food, which was great by the way, $117. And the money that I put for dining out, I just put that all together. So $137 minus 117 equals $20. I did also go out of town that next day. Went home, went just to visit my family. I got gas, I filled up. And I also spent $5 on a slice of pizza at Pilot. The next day, I went to Jack's, spent about $13. I also filled up again for $31. And for grocery, so I do have, let me get my calculator. So in my account online, I do have $112 online. So I should have $140 minus 42 minus minus 42 minus $30 minus $5. And what else? For grocery, I need to subtract $50, which I did not do that right at all. Let me try again. No wonder I didn't do it right. I added in spending. So $240 minus 42 minus $50. So $148. And I do have $120 $12 in Chime. So I should have $148. So in Chime, I have $112. In cash, I have, this should be $9, I believe. So let's see. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And I'm already messing up because that's not right either. So for a total, I need $148. Whoops, 148 minus $112 minus $9. I have $27 in this over here, which needs to go to Navy Federal, which I already sent that money. So 25, 6, 7. And I'm going to keep this money. Oh, did I count it? 25, 6, 7. So I'm going to put this back in Navy Federal, which will total up to the amount that's needed for groceries. So 27 plus 9 is $148. So when it comes to spending, for spending, I had 30. I spent $9. I also spent $5. And I also spent, I believe, what, $3? I can't even see that. So for spending, had 30, spent 9, spent 8, should have 13 left. Let's see. $21. So that's not right either. Maybe it is. Maybe I can't count. Let me see. 30 minus 9 minus 8. So I should have 13. But, so that means I need to take some money out of here to make up for the $13. So I should have $13, but I sent $3 over to Chime, so I should have $10. That means that the extra money that's in here needs to go to Navy Federal. When it comes to outing, I should have exactly a $20 bill somewhere in here. I do have it here for outing. When it comes to travel, I should have $20 in cash. $21 actually. But I may go ahead and take that dollar out. When it comes to miscellaneous, I should have $10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10 for miscellaneous left. So I pretty much have all the cash correct. I just need to put it out, well, take it out and put it where it needs to go. But I definitely thought I had all the right amount of cash, but I guess not. But overall, for travel, I should have 21. When it comes to outing, I should have $20. When it comes to spending, I should have 13. When it comes to grocery, I should have about $30-ish. Okay, so I went and recounted. When it comes to the grocery, I started out with $240. I spent $42. I also spent $50. So I should have $148. So online I should have $112. Cash was the $27. And in my wallet I have $9, which give me the proper amount of money. When it comes to travel, I had $100 minus 35 minus 13 minus 31 equals $21, which is what I have in my wallet. For outing, we started out with 137 minus 117, and I do have $20 in cash. For spending, we started out with $30. I spent $9 and I spent $8. I also spent $5 on a key, so I actually should have just $8. So I need to take out some money for that. And that's it. That's the budget. I'm going to rewrite everything, which let me do that now. Okay, so I went through and added and subtracted, made sure everything was what it's supposed to have been, and it is. I just need to take the money out of my wallet to put where it needs to go. But other than that, I hope you all have a great rest of your day. I'm going to insert the pictures from Nashville Airport and also downtown as well, because since Dolly has passed away, may she rest in peace, I was so sad when I got the news. My mom had just texted me and told me about it, and I saw it as soon as she sent the text message. I was so shocked. But I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Bye.